although this may resemble the coffee aisle in your local supermarket, it's far from it. It's experimentation time again. I'm the Frugal Gardener. It's spring, and I am trying something different. I'm pulling out all the stops this year, and that's because last year things didn't work out so well. So I'm trying to find ways to deter the critters, primarily the deer and the raccoon, although there are a few possums about. So what I am going to do is take these containers, and they had coffee in them, which makes them food grade, and I'm going to plant sage. I have another experiment going on where I am planting lavender, and I'm hoping that between the sage and the lavender, I'll be able to keep the critters at bay. Um, Before I go any further, I should explain to you that these containers are too small for to have a permanent sage plant in. It should be probably at least 3 times the size of this. This is, as I said, experimental because I don't want to see. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. This is something that I'm hoping will, if I put it next to the plant and put the plant, well, this is what I'm going to do. This is one of 2 webcams that I have, and this is the actual sage that I'm planting. So the goal is to plant the sage. When the sage begins to grow, I'm going to put one of these, I'm going to place these strategically around the homestead and put them in, well, there's a couple of, they don't bother these, but these are radishes. So this is what I'm growing. This is the beginning, a small portion of what I'm going to be growing this summer. So if I was to put one of those containers down here with the sage, and then I put the camera somewhere in this vicinity, it would give me an idea of what's going on at night when nobody's around. So if the animals avoid the sage or the lavender, then that tells me that it's working. If they just ignore it and proceed on their merry way to trying to get to what I'm growing, then it's back to the drawing board. If I am successful, then I will transfer these to something larger and more permanent. So that's it. It's not rocket science. It's just another experiment. It's spring. Why not? I'm the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe to my channel. There's a lot going on this summer. And you don't want to miss it. So like I always say, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next video.